Alright, so hey YouTube, how you guys doing? Applebottemgs here. So for today guys, we're going to be installing a new resistor in the Lancer. If you guys remember, we installed a new blower motor, and so everything is good, but I didn't install a new resistor. And my AC, something's been going on. I'll let you guys just see for yourself. So I turn on the AC or heat, whatever you want to use, and nothing blows out of the vents. So here, no heat, no AC is blowing out of the vents. I'm not sure why. It started happening after I got my new radio, so some people say it could be the fuse. So I gotta check that out. But before I do the fuse, I'm going to install the new resistor. So we can turn that off. And we can turn the car off. There's that. And then I'll show you guys where the resistor spot is in 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer. Alright, so I've already taken the liberty to take out the old resistor, and it's actually this one right here. This is the old, and this is the new. A lot of similarities, but the new one obviously looks newer, and this one has some divots. And this is the OEM from Mitsubishi. So this is located, if you go in your glove box, take out your glove box, you know where your blower motor is? It's all the way in the back, right here. And then it has a connector, which is this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in a new one. And it comes with 2 screws, and you just screw it up in there. Just like that, in that hole. So let's do that. It'll go just like that, and then you connect it with the connector and put your screws in, and you're all set. And I don't think, okay, so as you can see, the divots, there's a right way and a wrong way to put it in. So this has this kind of octagon shape right here, and so does that. So that's how you know it goes in like this way. Alright, so let me just screw it in, and yeah. Alrighty, so I just replaced the resistor. It's definitely not easy to get back there and tighten up all the screws. So it's in there, and I just reconnected it, and we're gonna try the AC again, see if this was the problem. Alright, so moment of truth. There we go, babies. So my AC problem was the resistor. Sorry, I don't know if you guys could hear me. My AC problem was my resistor. And we got it fixed. So the problem why I had my AC go was because after I installed my radio, I don't know what happened. I guess my resistor just went. And before, like months ago, I replaced my blower motor and everything was fine. So you know, that's just a recap of that, guys. Mission accomplished. Thanks for watching. Any more questions or concerns, let me know. There also could be a concern in the fuse box, so let me know if you have that problem.